Display advertisements. In this module, you will learn how to draft display advertisements for newspapers, magazines, and billboards, and also attempt some practice questions. An introduction. Display advertisements promote a product or a service to the masses with the prime objective of creating a demand. They are visually appealing with logos, photographs, and other visuals, and are enclosed by borders. These advertisements do not have a space limitation, as in the case of classified advertisements. Features. Display advertisements are purely commercial in nature, unlike classified advertisements like missing, matrimonial, and lost and found. They can be placed anywhere in a newspaper or a magazine so as to grab maximum attention. The cost of display advertisements depends on their size and the page on which they appear. A display advertisement appearing on the front page will cost more than the one appearing on the 5th page. The size of a display advertisement can range from very small, with just a visual and a tagline, to very large, covering the entire page. Tone and language. Display advertisements use language very creatively, with slogans, clichés, and puns. There are no hard and fast rules regarding the tone and use of language. A display advertisement for a high-tech electronic gadget will use technical jargon, but a promotional display advertisement for the backwaters of Kerala will be laced with a regional flavor. Format. A display advertisement has no fixed format. The advertiser may choose to place the text or graphics anywhere within the space provided. However, the following elements must be included while drafting a display advertisement. Enclose the display advertisement in a large rectangular box. Do not write the words "display advertisement" inside the box. Place them outside the box. Project the layout neatly and creatively. Aim at using visuals to enhance the overall appeal. Highlight the features of the product advertised through text or graphics. Sample. Practice questions. Attempt the following questions in your notebook. Summary. In this module, you have learned how to draft display advertisements for newspapers, magazines, and billboards, and also attempted some practice questions.